Her Excellency, the First Lady of Naija, don empower the elderly people for Edo State as about 250 elderly men and women wey dey age 65 and above don benefit from the second edition of the Renewed Hope Initiative Elderly Support Scheme (RHRESS) wey Naija First Lady Senator Oluremi Tinubu launch. The First Lady con tok say 250 people from each of the 36 states for the Federation plus the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) go benefit from this kind gesture and say the program dey support the welfare of elderly citizens every year. Edesili and Nani, wey be the administrator for the office of the First Lady and wey represent the First Lady for the event, con tok say the beneficiaries go also include veterans from the Defence and the Police Officers' Wife Association (DIPOA). The First Lady come also talk say the governing board of the RHRESS decide to increase the yearly grant from 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira this year to give more support to the elderly citizens during this festive period. She con tok say a total of 1.9 billion naira go spread across the country. The coordinators for the 36 states, the FCT and DIPOA don receive 50 million naira each and 200,000 go to each beneficiary. She come also talk say apart from the financial support, free medical checkup and other ogbonge things go dey provided and come urge the elderly people to remember to take care of their health and celebrate the festive period with their loved ones wella.
This program is being organized by the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Oluremi Tinubu. It's an initiative for the elderly people. So I am here to read her speech on her behalf. I'm delighted to join you all today at the second edition of the Renewed Hope Initiative Elderly Support Scheme with the theme Total Wellness, Happy, Healthy and a Prosperous Lifestyle. This program is designed to support the welfare of our elderly citizens annually. 250 elderly citizens aged 65 and above in all 36 states of the Federation, the Federal Capital Territory, and veterans from the Defense and Police Officers' Wives Association, DIPOA, will be benefiting from this scheme. The governing board of the Renewed Hope Initiative has decided to increase the grant from 100,000 naira to 200,000 naira this year. This is to provide further support to our elderly citizens during this festive season. A total of 1,900,000,000 naira will be disbursed across the nation. The Renewed Hope Initiative coordinators in the 36 states of the Federation, the FCT, and DIPOA have received 50 million naira each, out of which 200,000 will be distributed today to each beneficiaries. I think they deserve a round of applause. In addition to this, we also have the free medical checkups and other sundry items will be provided. I commend all our state first ladies, Renewed Hope Initiative state coordinators, and partners for their effort in making this day a reality. I congratulate all our senior citizens who have been selected as beneficiaries. I urge you all to remember to prioritize your health, even as we all enjoy and celebrate this festive season. Eat well, stay hydrated, take a lot of water, do little exercise, like walking, and get inadequate rest. Spend quality time with your loved ones and do what makes you happy. I wish you all a happy holiday and a prosperous 2025. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
The governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpegolo, come praise the Presido and his wife for the initiative, where he say go help the elderly people as them celebrate the festive season. He come here and say the initiative now the brainchild of the First Lady of Naija, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, and come throw a salute to her for this kind and great gesture. Say this one shows say Naija get First Lady wey care for the people. Say with the renewed hope agenda of the Presido and the renewed hope initiative of the First Lady, Naija Naija future dey secured and Edo State dey rise again, say this Christmas go full of joy and make we enjoy the festive season.
All I need to say to the First Lady is thank you. This is to let you know you have a mother that cares. At time of Christmas, she remembered you. That is to tell you that this is a woman that means well for this nation. So I want you to know that a new era, a new Edo has risen. With the new initiative of the First Lady and the renewed hope of Mr. President, we have our future. Our children have their future. Edo is back again. I want to thank you for coming. This Christmas will be a joyful celebration. Thank you, and my biggest respect goes to our First Lady who initiated this.
Woman leader of Edo State All Progressive Congress APC, Betty Okwebo, come also thank the Presido and the First Lady of Naija for the initiative, which she talks say go help the people of Edo State.
Kudos to Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu. May God keep her alive for us. May God continue to enlighten her coast. For this initiative, I want to say that Edo State being one of the beneficiaries, we are going somewhere. 200,000 naira at this time is not a joke. So, we say thank you. We say thank you to our mother, the mother of the nation. We say thank you to our Nandu governor. We say thank you to the deputy. And we say thank you to somebody who has made it possible for us to gather here today, who is the person of our sister, our daughter, who is in the office of the First Lady. We say thank you. The people of Edo State, I say God bless you all. Thank you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.